Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new to my channel, guess what? I wholeheartedly welcome you to Vlogmas Day 16. Yay! It is a little chilly out here today. I don't mind the chilly. What I don't like is the rain. It's raining. And I don't want to be out here in this. So I'm going to make this run quick. So guys, I am coming to you today. I want a full conversation in the comment section. What is your favorite family traditional dessert? Oh yes, dessert. We love the food, but everybody loves the desserts, right? I know I do. And hey, we all get a pass during this time. So all your dieters and all these people that are like watching their figure, yeah, we do. We already dealing with Corona, or as I call her, Cocoa, because she's driving people Cocoa for Cocoa Puffs. So yeah, we get a pass on this one. So if you want that pound cake, if you want that chocolate cake, if you want that sweet potato souffle, if you want that apple spice cake, if you want that Mississippi mud cake, if you want that, oh my God, the cakes and cakes and cakes, that's what I am used to in my family. That's a tradition that I'm going to always hold near and dear to my heart. I can just recall growing up, and you know, the food is, everybody's got to eat, right? But when it comes to dessert, you should see the table of food for dessert. Oh my goodness. It's like, never mind the food, give me the dessert. You got your lemon meringue pie, you got your pecan pie or pecan pie, however you say it. Then you have your, what is that other thing? Sweet potato pie, your pumpkin pie, your key lime pies. You have all this yummy stuff. Fruitcake. Now, believe it or not, I didn't like fruitcake, but my great-grandmother, she made the best fruitcake. Now, fruitcake is something that I got turned on to with my grandfather. And this is a time of the year that when I go through the store and I see the fruitcakes out, and don't judge. I know a lot of people that don't like fruitcake, but hey, it means something to me because that's the time of the year that my grandfather would love. Rest in peace, Grandpa. He loved the fruitcake because his mom made the best fruitcake. And so I started giving him fruitcake for Christmas and coffee because he drank coffee. Now that is the only time, not the only, but one of the only times. So it's only 2 times a year that you'll catch me drinking coffee. That's when the pumpkin spice comes out in the fall, and then at Christmas time. And it means a lot to me because for Christmas, for my grandfather, every year he never wanted anything for Christmas. So I started going out buying him the specialty coffees with the flavor and the smells and a fruitcake. And Christmas morning, I would get up in the morning after I play Secret Santa, because a lot of you guys don't know, but I do a lot of nonprofit stuff. So I deliver gifts as a Secret Santa to one of the children's home that I pick. And I was a Secret Santa, so I would go and drop off the gifts, do the Secret Santa, watch the kids open up the gifts, and then I would leave from there and go to my grandparents' house and sit down with my grandfather and my grandmother. Rest in peace, both of you. I love you guys. This time of year is so special to me, guys. But I would sit down and have a cup of java with my grandfather and a slice of fruitcake. So I've taken a liking to fruitcake. Don't judge me. And so these are memories that I have that I will hold on, and I'm going to share that with everybody that I talk to, whether you like it or not. So what is some of your favorite family traditions? Pound cake is one that I've taken on. So I make some really good pound cakes. And I'm not that big on decorating and icing cakes. That's not me. I will just tell you the truth. That's not me. Because it'll taste good as all outdoors. It'll be the bomb. But I'm telling you, don't let the way it's decorated judge how the cake tastes. It may look like a 3-year-old or somebody with no idea of what they're doing decorated the cake. But when you put your fork in it and you put it in your mouth, you'll be like, we don't care what it look like. It tastes good. That's me. I'm the baker. So yes, I have my traditional cakes that I make. And if you want to know what those cakes are, I don't give my recipes out because they're family recipes. But I do have recipes for things that I make. But I have a friend of mine, she finally gave me the recipe that her great aunt used to make, the Neiman Marcus cake. And she gave me the recipe and she said the only thing my great aunt said is to never give the recipe out. And when I make it, I have to let her know so she can come by and get some. So it's the Neiman Marcus cake. It's her recipe and she sold it in Neiman Marcus stores. And it's really good. So I want to know in the comment box, let me know what's your favorite dessert, and if you have a favorite family recipe that you want to drop down in the comments. Not asking for the recipe, just tell me what is your favorite dessert. Oh my God, it's so much. I just love dessert. I could go without all that other stuff, the ham and the green beans and the potato salad and all this. So just give me, I have my chair at the dessert table. Let's just put it that way. I'm just going to be frank. So put that in the comment box, guys. Let me know what's your favorite dessert, your family traditional dessert, something that's been out there that you guys have done every year. I don't want to hear you say, oh, just a chocolate cake. No. Tell me it's grandma's cake that she baked back in 1700 or your great-great-grandma. I want to know. It's something fun, guys. It's Vlogmas. Let's have fun. I want to know. Inquiry minds want to know. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave me those comments. And do me a favor, please. Be safe out there. Have fun, but be safe. Be leery. Be aware of your surroundings. It's really bad out there with people, not only with cocoa, but it's just hard times out there. So just be safe, guys. Make sure you always wear your mask. I have mine in my purse. Make sure if you do not have access to a sink to wash your hands, carry you some hand sanitizer. I keep mine with me. And keep your social distancing out there, so continue to be safe. Make sure you donate to the Salvation Army. And if you don't have a Salvation Army, which I would find that very hard to believe, but if you do not have a Salvation Army, please make sure to donate to a cause or a organization, that a nonprofit organization at that gives back to the community. So thank you so much again for joining me today. Like, comment, and if you're not a member of my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and then go right next door and click that notification bell so you can be notified of all my videos when they are uploaded. You guys have a great day. Be safe. Be blessed. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye-bye now.